Hey guys, home from work and I had a long day and really tired. So I thought, hey, this would be a great time to try our new back massager. So I'm going to open this up and plug her in and let you know how it works. Okay, so let's open this. Must be a plug. One plug. There it is. Small, simple, has a car jack, but also plugs into the outlet, which we're going to do today. So once I get it plugged in, I'll let you know how it's going. Okay, so Kristen's trying it out. What do you think?
It's not bad.
So the controls are kind of in a weird spot back here. But it's massage and heat. It's loud.
I like the heat.
Oh. Do you? Thought you were hot 2 seconds ago.
No, I've been cold.
Oh, you were cold 2 seconds ago.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Leave me alone.
I could probably fall asleep with this thing on.
Okay, let me try it.
Okay.
Please? It's mine.
So what do you think?
Once you get it in the right spot, it's not bad.
Yeah, you gotta get it in the right spot. Kind of adjust it to you.
It vibrates a lot. Like my whole glasses feel like they're vibrating. But yeah, definitely we need to see if there's buy a better chair or something for it. Because I don't know if it'll work that well on the couch.
I don't know.
We'll have to try it.
Try it, and it's the only way you can find out.
Okay, let's go do that.
Okay.
Okay, on the chair, got the massager on high. It's actually really comfortable, and now all my pressure's on it. It's really kind of feels good. I could fall asleep like this. In fact, I might just do that. See when we wake up. Look at the Italian chicken Kristen made for us. Yummy. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Looks really good. Does it taste good? Then I should probably eat some. So we're going to go ahead and eat. And we'll talk to you afterwards. So we're out sitting on the front porch. It's actually a really nice night out.
It is.
It's low 60s. Cloudy, but still daylight. It's so nice being daylight late. Since time changed.
I know.
Love it. Got someone trying to get out the window.
She said, let me out, let me out.
We're just going to sit out here and enjoy ourselves for a little bit, I think. No real rush to go inside, nothing to do tonight. Got the trash out already.
Yay.
So, it's just a relaxing night the rest of the night. And I definitely need that. Do you?
Yes, yes I do. Gonna open a Bolo.
Boo, Bills. Not the team Bills. Bills. Not Buffalo Bills. Bills. You got it? Okay. So we're hanging outside, and I just happened to walk over here and saw another sign of spring. If I zoom in, way down in there, I'm not sure how or why it's growing there, but there's a little yellow flower. Maybe it's a weed. Looks more like a weed. I think it's a weed. That explains a lot.
But it's a pretty yellow one.
But it's a pretty weed.
Yes.
Say hi, Levi. I don't know, it came for you.
Yeah. You opened it?
Yeah. Say hi.
Does it have your name on it?
Not talking to him? Nope. 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 Are you eating my cupcake? Yep. Yep. It's mine. Say hi. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, that's better.
Say hi. Say hi. No, to the camera. Go hi. No. Oh well.
Oh my god.
This kid has more problems with falling than anyone I've ever met.
You just fell off there.
You still eating that? Did you just take all the icing off of it?
I don't know. Oh no.
Leland. Leland. He's passed out. Cool, you passed out.
Sleepy baby.
I'm about to pass out. I'm tired. So we're going to end the vlog. Say bye.
Bye.
We will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Follow us on Facebook. Like us on Twitter. Nope, got that wrong again. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.